Now let's do another question on triangles and their properties. Which of the following statements are true? So we're given a figure and we're asked to select the statements that are true. Now, according to the exterior angle theorem, an exterior angle, such as x in this case, is equal to the sum of the two non-adjacent interior angles. So for x, that would be x degrees is equal to the two non-adjacent interior angles, which is n and L. That is option D. Meanwhile, for y would be equal to the sum of the two non-adjacent interior angles, which is L and M. So option B is also true. Meanwhile, Z is not an exterior angle. The exterior angle corresponding to N plus M would be this whole angle, which is Z plus 90 degrees. So Z is equal to M plus N is wrong. Similarly, X we already said is equal to L plus N, so it can't be equal to L plus M. In this question, we're once again asked to find the value of x. So in this question, the exterior angle theorem applies. According to the exterior angle theorem, the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle, such as this one, I'll number it 1, is equal to the sum of the measures of the two non-adjacent interior angles. I'll number them 2 and 3. So according to the exterior angle theorem, the sum of measures of angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to the measure of angle 1. Substituting the values, we get 79, which is the measure of angle 2, added to 73 degrees, which is the measure of angle 3, is equal to the measure of angle 1. So we get 152 degrees is equal to the measure of angle 1, which is the value of x. So x is equal to the measure of angle 1, which is 152 degrees. In this question, we're asked to find the value of x. In the figure, we can see that two sides are equal to 6 centimeters, meaning that this triangle is isosceles. In an isosceles triangle, the angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. So let me mark these angles as 1 and 2. Since it's an isosceles triangle, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, which is equal to x degrees. Meanwhile, let me mark this as angle 3. Angle 3 is equal to 56 degrees. Now, the sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So angle 1 added to angle 2 added to angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees. Substituting the values, we get x degrees plus x degrees plus 56 degrees is equal to 180. We can simplify this to 2x degrees plus 56 is equal to 180 degrees. Now let's divide both sides by 2. we get x degrees plus 28 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. Now, subtracting 28 from both sides, we get x degrees is equal to 62 degrees.